everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1965 Chevy Corvette Convertible. Of course, you know everybody loves these sporty little Vettes, especially this one we have here featuring a nice, I want to say Skyway Blue, just to give it that wonderful pride. Blue exterior featuring a black manual top. Of course, a lot of these early Vettes were only manual tops. You'd be lucky if you ever could find one in the power convertible. Other than that, you got the very nice, I want to say, wire wheels, almost like the ones you would see in a DeLorean. Kind of a nice little reference, but of course they weren't alike. Moving on to the interior now, featuring a 3-spoke wooden wheel. Of course, the Vette never looks so big from the outside, but offered a lot of room on the inside. Also having a nice 4-speed manual. Of course, all of our stock gauges are there and working as they should. We even got a working clock and an old-fashioned Delco AM and FM radio. Featuring also leather bucket seats, old school window cranks, and of course the very nice cool doorknobs, which only have to pull back, not pull up. Going underneath the hood, featuring a nice little small block Chevy engine. Of course, it is the HF code, and by doing a little bit of research, we have found out that the VIN on the front stamp of the motor does match the VIN number to the vehicle. So of course, if you're looking at this Vette, you're possibly looking at a numbers matching Corvette, which is definitely the way to go, especially when buying an older vehicle, since matching number vehicles always bring in more money. Other than that, we're taking up the road right now, going about 50, going through all 4 gears, riding pretty smooth. Suspension feels good. Horsepower coming from the back feels alright. You got that nice good sound, especially when the tailpipes come out the back. Definitely better than those side pipes, otherwise you have to burn your leg off. Other than that, now we're just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.